make sure when you do your skip 45, look at my foot. In step. Ito. Alright? Then, do not drop it. You have to snap. Record lang. Pang! Nagre-record siya. Pang! Okay? So, first kick, snap po. Pa. Then, second kick, pa, pa. Okay? Double kick na kagad. Maintindihan? So, look at my stance. Very light. Hindi gigil. Light yung upper body. Relax. Then, fast strong. Pa! Alright? Then, guard. Lagi isipin nyo, your opponent will fight back. Hindi yan tanga. Alright? Sisipa din yan. Okay? Your opponent will hit you hard. Always remember that. Okay? So, you have to guard your head and body. Baka ganyan kayo, dali kayo tamaan sa mukha. Okay? Always remember that, ha? Always keep on guard. So, 1, 2, 3, single. Then, 1, 2, 3, double. Yung iba sa inyo, last 10 seconds, ganun na. Your opponent is still alive. Oh, anong nangyari? Lobat na. Your opponent is still alive. Sipahin kayo na malakas ng kalaban nyo. Kailangan, you have to fight until the time is over. 30 seconds eh. Okay? Start strong, finish strong. Always remember that. Okay? 30 seconds, you have to persevere. So, for me, pa! 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 Teka. O, see? Hanggang 30 seconds siya. Pa! Same energy level. Naintindihan? Hindi pagdating ng 20 seconds. Ganyan-ganyan. Oh, see? You think you will win? You think you will win if your attitude is like that on the competition? No. Pero kung yung attitude nyo, never say that. Pa! 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 See? That's the champion attitude. Always remember that, huh? Never say that. Stay up. Already. Finish strong. Start strong. Right leg forward. Right leg at the in front. Already. With count muna. 1, 2, 3, single. Pa! Alright. Oh, 1, 2, 3, double. Pa! Pa! Alright, good. Speed. Ready. 30 seconds. See, jack, go. Pa! 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 Let's go. Come on. Keep on kicking. Come on. Guard up, guard up. Guard up. Krysen, what you're doing? Let's go. Keep on kicking, Krysen. Good. That's it. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job.